This is the first problem in binomial theorem, which is of infinite series. You are given t is equal to 4 by 5 plus 4 into 6 by 5 into 10 plus 4 into 6 into 8 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus so on till infinity. You have to prove that 90 is equal to 16. Now t is equal to 4 by 5 plus 4 into 6 by 5 into 10 plus 4 into 6 into 8 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus so on till infinity. Add 1 on both sides. 1 plus t is equal to 1 plus 4 by 5 plus 4 into 6 by 5 into 10 plus 4 into 6 into 8 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus so on. Now this is equal to 1 plus t plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 5 plus 4 into 4 plus 2 by 2 factorial into 1 by 5 whole square plus 4 into 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 into 2 by 3 factorial 1 by 5 whole cube plus so on. This is what you have. This is same as 1 minus x whole power minus p by q, that is equal to 1 plus p into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus so on. Now here p is 4, x by q is 1 by 5, p is 4 and q is equal to 2. So x value will be equal to 2 by 5. So 1 plus t will be equal to 1 minus 2 by 5 whole power minus 4 by 2. So 1 minus 2 by 5 is 3 by 5 whole power minus 2. 1 plus t is equal to 5 by 3 whole square. 1 plus t is equal to 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9, 25 by 9. Take 9 up, 9 plus 90 is equal to 25, 90 is equal to 25 minus 9, that is equal to 16. So 90 value is equal to 16. That's about this problem. X is equal to 1 by 3 by 3 by 1 by 3, 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 into 6 into 9 into 12 plus so on. If this is the case, you have to prove that 9x square plus 24x is equal to 11. X is equal to 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 by 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 into 6 into 9 into 12 plus so on. X is equal to, we have to add 1 plus 1 by 3 and subtract 1 plus 1 by 3 because that is missing here. So we are adding 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 into 3, 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 whole power 1 by 3 whole square plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 1 by 3. This is whole cube. This will be whole cube plus so on minus 1 plus 1 by 3. Here p is equal to 1, q is equal to 2. X by q is equal to 1 by 3, x is equal to 2 by 3. Now 1 minus x whole power minus p by q minus 4 by 3. So that is nothing but 1 minus 2 by 3 whole power minus 1 by 2 minus 4 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3 whole power minus 1 by 2 minus 4 by 3. This is nothing but root 3 minus 4 by 3. So x is equal to root 3 minus 4 by 3. 3x plus 4 is equal to 3 root 3. 3x plus 4 whole square is equal to 3 root 3 whole square will be 27. 3x plus 4 whole square means 9x square plus 16 plus 24x is equal to 27. 9x square plus 24x is equal to 27 minus 16, that will be 11. Therefore we have proved that 9x square plus 24x is equal to 11. That's about this problem. In our next problem, we have 7 by 5 into 1 by 10 square plus 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 by 1 by 10 power 4 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 1 by 10 power 6 plus so on. Consider 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 100 plus 1 into 3 by 2 factorial into 1 by 100 whole square plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 factorial into 1 by 100 whole cube plus so on. Comparing this with 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. 1 minus x whole power minus p by q is 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by 2 plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square and so on. Here p value is 1, p plus q is equal to 3, so q value will be equal to 2. In place of x by q you have 1 by 100. So x value is equal to 2 by 100, x is equal to 0.02. The series is 1 minus 0.02 whole power minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 0.02 is 0.98 whole power minus 1 by 2. 0.98 can be written as 49 by 50 whole power minus 1 by 2. If you reverse this, you will have 50 by 49 whole power 1 by 2. So that is nothing but 5 root 2 by 7. We have 7 by 5 into 5 root 2 by 7 will be equal to root 2. You are given 3 terms, that is, if second, third and fourth terms in the expansion of a plus x whole power n is 240, 720, 1080, find a, x and n. Now second term is 240, third term is 720, fourth term is 1080. So actually second term means what? nc1 a power n minus 1, second term in the expansion of a plus x whole power n is nc1 a power n minus 1 x is equal to 240. Third term is nc2 a power n minus 2 x square is equal to 720. Fourth term nc3 x a power n minus 3 x cube is equal to 1080. Consider 2 by 1. 2 by 1 nc2 a power n minus 2 x square by nc1 a power n minus 1 x is equal to 720 by 240. Now x cancel, 1a gets cancelled. You have nc2 by nc1 is n minus 1 by 2 into x by a is equal to 241s are 243s are. So this value is equal to 3. Cross multiply, you get n minus 1 into x is equal to 6a. Next you have third equation by second equation. We are doing 3 by 2. 3 is nc3 a power n minus 3 x cube. Second term is nc2 a power n minus 2 a x square is equal to 1080 by 720. So nc3 by nc2 value is n minus 2 by 3 into x by a, that is equal to 3 by 2. Cross multiply, 2 into n minus 2 into x is equal to 9a. Now we have to do 4 by equation number 4 by 5. Where is 4? This is 4 and this is 5. So we are doing 4 by 5. On doing 4 by 5, you have a cancel, 2 by 3, x cancel, n minus 1 by 2, n minus 1 by 2, n minus 4 is equal to 2 by 3. Cross multiply, 3n minus 3 is equal to 2 into 2n minus 4, n is equal to 5. So n value is 5. Now you have to find a value as well as x value. Here you got n value as 5. So use this in equation 4. Equation 4 is n minus 1 into x is equal to 6a. So 5 minus 1 into x is equal to 6a. 4x is equal to 6a. Now you have 4x is equal to 6a. X value will be equal to 3 by 2a. Substitute x is equal to 3 by 2a and n is equal to 5 in equation 4. In equation, yes. So you have, this is equation 1. You are substituting in equation 1. In equation 1 you have nc1 a power 4 x power 1. So you have 5c1 a power 4 3 by 2a is equal to 240. 5c1 is 5. 3 by 2 into a power 4 into a power 5, that is equal to 240. Now a power 5 is equal to 480 by 15, that is equal to 32, that is equal to 2 power 5. A value is equal to 2, x value is equal to 3 by 2a, that is 3 by 2 into 2, which is 3. So a value is 2, x value is 3, n value is 5. That is about the problem. In the next problem we have the coefficients of rth term, r plus 1 term, r plus 2 term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are in AP, then show that n square minus 4r plus 1 into n plus 4r square minus 2 is equal to 0. This is what we have to show. TR is equal to NCR minus 1. TR plus 1 is equal to NCR. TR plus 2 is NCR plus 1. Now, NCR minus 1, NCR plus 1 are in AP. So, if they are in AP, twice the second term is sum of first and last terms. So, 2 NCR is equal to NCR minus 1 plus NCR plus 1. 2 NCR is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. NCR minus 1 is n factorial by n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial, plus you have NCR plus 1 is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, that is r plus 1 factorial. So, all this we are writing in the form of n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So, here r into r minus 1 factor, this r factorial can be written as r into r minus 1, and this r plus 1 factorial can be written as r plus 1 into r minus 1. So, you have r minus 1 factorial cancel, r minus 1 factorial here gets cancelled, here also r minus 1 factorial gets cancelled. So, you have 2n by n minus r. Next one after n minus r is n minus r minus 1 factorial. Here also you have n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial into n minus r minus 1 factorial. So, after cancellation you will be left with 2 by n minus r into r by 1 minus n minus 1 in n minus r plus 1 by n minus r plus 1 by r plus 1 into r. This is what you have. Now, if you take 1 by n minus r out, you have 2 by r minus 1 by n minus r plus 1, that is equal to 1 by r plus 1 into r. So, here you have 1 by n minus r. If you take LCM, you have 2n minus 2r plus 2 minus r by r into n minus r plus 1, that is equal to 1 by r into r plus 1. This is what you have. So, after this you have here 1 by r gets cancelled, cross multiply, you have this is 2n minus 3r plus 2, 2n minus 3r plus 2 into r plus 1. This is what you have. R plus 1 is equal to n minus r into n minus r plus 1. Now, you have to multiply all this, 2n into r, 2n into 1, 2n, minus 3 into 3r into r, minus 3r square, minus 3r into 1, minus 3r, 2 into r, 2r, 2 into 1, 2. Again this n square minus nr plus n minus rn minus r square minus r. This is what you have. So, here what all you can cancel? You have finally n square minus 2nr is minus 4nr, r square plus 3r square is 4r square, minus n minus 2n is minus n, and 2r minus 3r is minus r, and this is also minus r. So, minus r gets cancelled. Finally, you have n square minus 4nr plus 4r square minus n minus 2 is equal to 0. From these two terms take n common. You have n square minus 4r plus 1 plus 4r square minus 2 is equal to 0. That is what you have to prove here. Out of all steps, this step is important. If you understand this step, everything will be simple. Our next problem. If P and Q are the sum of odd terms and sum of even terms respectively, the expansion of x plus a whole power n, then prove that P square minus Q square is equal to x square minus a square whole power n. 4pq is equal to x plus a whole power 2n minus x minus a whole power 2n. So x plus a whole power n is equal to nc0 plus x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 into a plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a square plus so on plus ncn a power n. So if you separate odd terms and even terms, these are even nc0 x power n, nc2 x power n minus 2 a power 2 so on plus nc1 x power n plus nc3 x power n minus 3 a cube plus so on. So this is nothing but p plus q. Now x minus a whole power n is equal to nc0 x power n minus nc1 x power n minus 1 into a plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a square minus nc3 x power n minus 3 a cube plus so on plus ncn whole power minus 1 whole power n a n. Here we are separating even terms and odd terms. So nc0 x power n plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a square plus so on minus ncn x power n minus 1 a plus nc3 x power n minus 3 a cube plus so on. This is even terms and this is odd terms, so it will be equal to p minus q. Now p plus q into p minus q is nothing but x plus a whole power n into x minus a whole power n. X plus a into x minus a is x square minus a square whole power n. So this is p plus q into p minus q, which is p square minus q square. That is about this problem. You have the next proof. You have 4pq is equal to x plus a whole power 2n minus x minus a whole power 2n. This is what you have to prove. 4pq can be written as p plus q whole square minus p minus q whole square. So this is nothing but p plus q whole square is x plus a whole power 2n minus p minus q whole square is nothing but x minus a whole power 2n. Therefore 4pq is equal to p plus q whole square minus p minus q whole square, which is x plus a whole power 2n minus x minus a whole power 2n. This is what you have. So that's about the problem. In our next problem, we have the coefficients of 4 consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are a1, a2, a3, a4 respectively. Show that a1 by a1 plus a2 plus a3 by a3 plus a4 is equal to 2a2 by a2 plus a3. Now let us take the coefficients first. a1 is equal to ncr minus 1, a2 is equal to ncr, a3 is equal to ncr plus 1, a4 is equal to ncr plus 2. To have in the LHS a1 by a1 plus a2 plus a3 by a3 plus a4. Take a1 common here. If you take a1 common, you have 1 plus a2 by a1. If you take a3 common, you have 1 plus a4 by a3. a1 cancel, a3 cancel. a2 will be ncr by ncr minus 1 plus a4 will be ncr plus 2 by ncr plus 1, that will be a3. Now ncr by ncr minus 1 is equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. This is equal to 1 plus n minus r minus 1 by r plus 2. In the next step, you have here LCM is, if you r goes up and r comes up, so you will have r by n plus 1 plus r plus 2 comes over here and remaining part comes here. it will be r plus 2 by r plus 2 plus n minus r minus 1. Here plus r minus r gets cancelled. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the LCM is n plus 1, r plus 2. R plus 2 is 2 into r plus 1 by n plus 1. That is about this problem. Next you have in the RHS you have 2a2 by a2 plus a3. Take a2 common, you have 1 plus a3 by a2. a2 cancel, you have 2 by 1 plus a3 by a2. So here in the next part you have 2a2 by a2 plus a3, that is equal to 2a2 by a2 into 1 plus a3 by a2. a2 cancel, you have 2 by 1 plus a3 by a2. 1 plus a3 by a2 is nothing but n minus r by r plus 1. So r plus 1 is taken as LCM, r plus 1 goes up. You have r plus 1 plus n minus r plus r minus r cancel, you have n plus 1. So you have a1 by a1 plus a2 plus a3 by a3 plus o4 is equal to 2a2 by a2 plus a3. That's